Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. In this lecture I will teach you how to do addition without using calculator. In this lecture we will discuss three different types of numbers: 2-digit numbers, 3 and 3 digit numbers addition, and 2 and 3 digits number addition. So first question is addition of 27 and 52. In a traditional way, we start addition from unit place, but in this short trick, we will start our addition from tens place. So by adding these two digits, 5 plus 2 is 7. As we are starting from our addition from tens place, so place 1 0 and add units place number. 7 plus 2 is 9. So result is 79. Next question is addition of 74 and 63 considering digits at tens place. 7 plus 6 is 13, so place 0, plus 4 plus 3 is 7, so 137 is the addition of 74 and 63. Next question, 94 and 23 at tens place. 9 plus 2 is 11, so place 0, plus 3 and 4 is 7, so 117 is the addition of 94 and 23. Next question is addition of 49 plus 74. 4 plus 7 is 11, so place 0, plus 4 plus 9 is 13. 110 plus 13 is 123. It's the addition of 49 and 74. Next question is addition of 96 and 84. 9 plus 8 is 17. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 180 is the addition of 96 and 84. Next question is 78 and 87. By considering 10 place, 8 plus 7 is 15, so place 0. 7 plus 8 is 15, so 150 plus 15 is 160. 5 is the addition of 78 plus 87. In this case, I discussed the numbers both which are 2 digits. In the next case, I will discuss one number is 3 digit and second number is 2 digit number. The next case, one number is 3 digit and other number is 2 digit. So consider both these digits as tens place. So 11 plus 8 is 19, place 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 196 is the addition of 112 and 84. Next question is 136 and 72. Consider both these digits as tens place. 13 plus 7 is 20. 6 plus 2 is, by placing a 0, so 208 is the addition of 136 and 72. Next question is addition of 171 and 93. 17 plus 9 is 26, so place a 0. 3 plus 1 is 4, so 264 is the addition of 171 and 93. Next question is 113 and 146. In this case, both the numbers are 3 digits. So consider these 2 digits as tens place. First add these 11 plus 14. 11 plus 14 will be added as I discussed in this case. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. So at the units tens place, 25 place a 0. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 259 is the addition of 113 and 146. Next question is 243 and 136. Consider these both digits as tens place. First add these 24 and 13. So at tens place, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Place a 0, plus 6 plus 3 is 9. So 379 is the addition of 243 and 136. Next question is 714 and 154. So consider these digits as tens place and solve it as we did previously. 7 plus 1 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, so place a 0, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So 868 is the addition of 714 and 154. Like and share my videos and subscribe my channel.